3.
Good afternoon, teacher Chaimae.
Good afternoon, everyone. How are you?
I'm good. We're fine, thank you.
You're having a good day?
Yes.
Okay, shall we start with the game?
Yes.
No. Yes.
L.
Don't.
F.
Come on.
N.
Yes, correct.
D. I.
Last one. Wow.
Landfills.
Yay. It's landfills. Do not. Each group has a different paragraph. All the paragraphs make one long text. You know, I like you guys. I don't want you to read the whole thing. You don't want to read the whole thing.
Yes.
I want. You don't want to do that.
No,
So, you want to? Yes, you can do that at home, not in my class. Okay. So each paragraph is different from the other paragraphs. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. You're going to read your paragraph carefully. If there is a word you don't understand, you can ask each other. This is your challenge, not mine. Okay? You can ask each other, and by the end, when you're done, I'm going to ask you the questions about the paragraph. The team that has the most points is the
Winner.
Okay. Ready?
I know. They're going to ask me.
Oh, I am the teacher. Okay. On the count from 1, 2, 3. Start. Is there anything you don't understand?
Teacher.
What?
When you are going to ask
Working groups.
I don't know what is school.
Did you ask her? Well, I asked you to ask her. You can ask the teacher. Yes, Sasha. Would you please tell him what soil means?
Oh, and soil is like soil. Soil is like compost.
Okay. What is that?
It's when there is wasted things. We recycle them recycle them, and we call them compost. But the materials we call them soil.
Do you guys agree?
I don't know the answer, but
You can guess. It's okay.
it's like a liquid.
It is not a liquid. No. Okay. There you go. Could you repeat that, please?
The dirt's on the ground.
Yeah, that's soil. So when you is going inside soil, and then the plant is going to grow.
It's like container.
It's not a container. It's the dirt. It's the dirt part. If you touch it, your hands are going to turn dirty. Like color. No black. Brown. They're going to turn brown. Soil. It's okay. Remember, we've never played with soil before.
I always play with soil.
Oh.
One time I ate it. I swear, I ate it.
Why did you eat the soil?
I don't know.
Okay. Now if you have an answer. No.
They can help.
I'm not talking about the comprehension of the text. Okay. They can help you. You're wanting. So soil.
Sometimes it's going to be like
trash. Trash to her.
It's
Okay.
trash is when we're going to recycle. There are sometimes something they are not going to recycle.
We recycle.
And
We? So we?
throw it.
Can you give me a synonym of trash? From your screen. What is the synonym of trash? So, okay, I'm gonna ask one person to please come here and read the paragraph for us, and I'm gonna need you guys to follow. Okay? Okay. This house.
Landfills are places where people put their waste. There are very big areas of land. People around the world throw away lots of things every day, and most of this waste goes to landfills. Part 1. The problem with landfills. There are many problems with landfills. One problem is pollution. When we put our waste in landfills, it rots, breaks down. It rots means breaks down. And this process creates a gas called methane. Methane is very bad for the environment. It makes Earth warmer, which causes climate change. Other problems is that landfills take a lot of space. We only have a certain amount of land in Earth, and if we use it all for landfills, there will not be any space for other things, like growing food or building houses.
Very good.
Yes.
Okay. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. That is the introduction. How many teams are there?
4.
Was that clear, or do you need someone to read for you again?
No, again.
That was clear?
Yeah.
Okay, question number 1. Hafsa, you ready? Yeah, you can answer. You're not going to answer.
I'm ready.
Okay, so question number 1. First team to answer and to have a correct answer gets a point and my respect. What are landfills?
Landfills are places where that people throw rubbish and trash.
Okay, which team are you?
Team
3. Good. And number 2, be quick, guys. Landfills. Pollution.
Correct.
And there's another one. Which team 1 is that? No, that's team 1. Yeah. What is the second? Because there are 2 problems. You answered the first one. There's another one. Saha.
It's toxic gas.
Yes, it does create a toxic gas. That is team number 2. Okay. Methane do to the environment.
What?
What does the gas methane do to the environment? Sahih.
It warms up the earth.
Wow, it warms up the earth. Which one are you guys?
It changes
Nice.
it changes the climate.
Who's going to read? Abdurrahman. You guys?
Yes.
Alright.
We can do some things to help reduce the problems with landfills. One thing we can do is recycle more. When we recycle, we take used materials and make new things from them. For example, we can recycle paper and make new paper from it. If more people recycle, there will be less waste going to landfills. Another thing we can do is compost our food waste. Composting is when we take natural material like banana peels and coffee ground, and let it rot in a special container. The result is a kind of soil called compost. And we can use this compost to help plants grow.
Thank you, Abdulrahman.
Yes. I have a question. He said coffee ground. What does that mean?
What does that mean?
Coffee ground.
Coffee from the ground?
Coffee in the ground.
Other coffee ground, we coffee and coffee.
That's when there is splits for the coffee. I think it's when coffee is crushed.
Yes! It's when coffee was the little beans. That's coffee ground. When those coffee beans are crushed. So,
Recycle.
Oh, recycle. Yes, we can. We can recycle. Thank you. What does it mean to compose?
Compose, I think it means to decompose.
Sorry.
Natural materials and turn it up to soil.
How do we do that? What do we take? Give me an example. Like banana peels? We put them inside.
Yes.
What?
And coffee
Grounds.
ground.
And where do we put them?
In the composter.
In the composter. In the Good job. We put them inside containers. Thank you. I will count that. Who's gonna read?
Me.
Reduction by buying fewer things. In addition to these things, we can also try to reduction by buying fewer things.
Reducing.
Reducing by buying fewer things. In addition to these things, we can also try to reduce the amount of waste we produce. There are many ways to do this. One way is to buy fewer things. Sometimes we buy things that we do not really need. If we think more carefully about what we buy, we can reduce the amount of waste we produce. Another way is to reuse things. For example, instead of throwing away a plastic water bowl, we can wash it and use it again. We can also donate things that we do not want anymore, like clothes or toys, so other people can use them.
Thank you. We can reduce. Second question. Give an example of something that we can reuse. Yes. We can reuse? Can you give me an example? The plastic
T-shirt.
from the text. Plastic bottles. What can we do?
We can recycle. We can use it. We can use it more than one time.
Good job. Very nice. Which team are you?
Four.
Are you sure?
Donate it loads of food.
Oh my god, that's so cute! Sure.
We are who wanted to answer? They didn't. Now we can donate lots of things like food, teacher dolls, toys for us. Yeah, toys for us. I see it.
Me. Who's going to read the next?
Me. Teacher.
No. Okay. But I don't think I'm going to be reading again for you guys. I mean, what?
Where they have 4.
I didn't understand. I didn't understand.
I'll ask.
The first is the last
Yes, fine.
day.
Yes, we have.
Teacher, everything they throw to the bin, right? They throw to the bin. Right now they're trying to make the law.
Okay, they're trying to make the lot and they're trying to make 0.
Zeros.
Good job, team. 1, 2,
Add 1,
3, 4. 1, 2.
Team 2.